recording. Alright, I guess we're doing it again. And fuck, I didn't want to show that. You people didn't see that.
What's the mania? Screw you. Let's play that. Let's do that little pixel thing. What are you doing?
Hey, Garfield getting it funky with Garfield.
Ow!
What?
My chest.
Yeah,
You know, I could swear I have 2 hearts.
Your mom has 2 hearts. Fuck.
Yeah. What?
Dick.
I stabbed your mom with my dictionary.
Dictionary. Oh yeah. Who sandwich?
Oh! Oh, my toe! Oh, oh.
How is it too long, but people put movies on there?
No.
They put an hour-long movie on there.
Don't ask me, ask the YouTube people. Actually,
Well,
yeah.
just in case we want to make this kind of short. Yeah. Well, we should just do one of us talking.
You really shouldn't just like scream into the thing just to make yourself sound good, because it's like really making up stuff.
What?
Just like doing stuff like.
What? I can't be retarded anymore?
No, I mean like stuff.
So I can't do stuff.
I want a soda.
I do too. Hey, my soda's over there.
You want a fire soda?
No. Bitch! No.
Oh shit! Doctor, we're making TV. No, my soda. Oh!
No.
Oh my finger! Oh my finger! That hurt! Give me the freaking soda!
Why?
Give me the freaking soda!
Why? No!
Oh, my stomach!
Oh, my back! Oh, my back!
Give me the soda! No! Do not put your mouth in the cupboard! No! Oh, my butt! Damn! No, I'm losing! I'm losing the battle! No! 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 You will not lick my hand! No licky! No! 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 Bad person! Damn! Oh!
Yes.
Damn, he won! Get off of my stuff before you break it.
How am I gonna break this stuff?
There's stuff on the thing that you're laying on.
What?
See, you just broke it.
No, I didn't. Oh. Someone didn't try to drink my soda.
Well, I wanted the soda.
That's your fault. You should have gone out there and got one.
You should have gone upstairs and got one.
This one is mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I drank from it.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Stop lying to yourself.
I will say your real name.
No.
Fine.
Stop lying to yourself.
Your mom's lying to yourself. Oh, well,
What, was Bert naked?
What? Yes. Well, that's,
Oh, my stomach hurt.